Hi all, good morning, good evening. This is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have the new update from the tablet sites. So now we are having the rounded corners. Okay. So let me show you the first dashboard. Then I'll talk about what is the rounded corner and why that is like why we needed this kind of the design. Okay. So rounded corner is something like that. We are the behind from the designing part. If I talk about the designing kind of things, so the rounded corner has Power BI has the rounded corners and other tools have the rounded corners. Okay. If we wanted to achieve this kind of the design, maybe we need to go for the Figma or any other kind of design tools. We make this kind of the template, then we pasted our KPIs or our visualization as per the requirement. But now, as per the Tableau release, as per the new Tableau update, we have the rounded corners available into the new update in 6.1. Okay, so I have created a very simple executive sales overview dashboard. So now you can see I put it the sales profit and the profit ratio. Along with we have the charts. Okay, so now you can see clearly we have the rounded corners everywhere. If we have the panel, we can see we have the rounded corners, we have the KPIs, we have the rounded corners, and we follow with the charts. We have the rounded corners over here. Okay, so this gives you the dashboard, the flexibility, and as well as the good strength of the visualization kind of things. Now you have the clean dashboard with the rounded corner. It looks good. Okay, so now you can see we have the filters overview. If I click this filter, now we have the rounded corners filter and filter panel as well as. So that is the thing I would like to discuss with you. I would like to tell you, okay, we have now rounded corner available into tablet sites and tablet desktop 2026.1. You can go ahead and download for the new latest version. Now you have the rounded corners. So if you go like once you created the dashboard, I've connected through the sample superstore data. Once you go to the dashboards dashboard layout, like let's say you have created some KPIs or some kind of chart. Now go to the layout and layout we have available here. You can see the corner radius. Okay, in corner radius you can apply as per your demand, as per your requirement, what kind of rounded corners that you wanted to achieve in your dashboards. So I am using like I am apply all the KPIs, all the chart for the 20. Now, as per requirement, you can do maybe 20, 25, 30, whatever it is suits you, you can do that. Okay. So go to the layout. In layout section, go to the any up chart that you wanted to apply the rounded corners. Go to that corner rounded corner, that's apply. Okay. In each one, you need to do that. Okay, I apply all the things, all the rounded corners across the chart, across the dashboard. Now that's you can see it is looks very clear, very appealing, and it's easy to understand. Okay, so now we don't need to go for the Figma or any other chart to create the templates. Now it's available in Tableau itself. So that's it from this video. I would like to share this news from you guys, from the audience. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this.